Agayu cholani yo. Agayu moves the ground. He shakes the ground when he walks. He's a powerful, powerful Orisha. The Orisha of the volcano and the fierce Orisha that cultivates the land. People often recognize Agayu as the Orisha of the volcano, but he is also the Orisha of riches. He is also the Orisha of cultivation and also of the river. Agayu is so powerful that the secrets of his ceremony, those who have not received him definitely have to step outside when a child of Chango is being born. When a child of Chango is being crowned in a ceremony, he goes in or she goes in with Chango's father, which is Agayu. Agayu is also the great emperor of the fourth kingdom of Oyo from Nigeria. Not only is he the emperor of Nigeria in the kingdom of Oyo, he associates with the number 9, which is Osa, and he associates with the number 4, being Iroso. There are also different Oduns that speak of Agayu, but an Orisha so powerful, when he walks, he shakes the ground. Some people fear him, as he is marked as the guardian angel on someone's head. They make sure and confirm, can he be crowned or she be crowned directly? Or does it have to be Agayu Oro Chango or Agayu Oro Ochun? This is how powerful this Orisha is. Agayu can be relied on, as he is known as Saint Christopher in the Catholic faith. He can be relied on for strength and perseverance. When you need that push in life and you need direction, rely on Orisha Agayu. Agayu is not only fierce, as the mother of Chango is known as Yemu, even though Yemaya raised Chango, which is another Pataki for later. However, in understanding the powers of Agayu, he shares one heart with his beautiful Oya. Those 9 colors also represent Orisha Oya. Agayu is so powerful that not only does he work within the bottom of the earth and turns it, but he works with a lot of Egun, and ceremony is very, very powerful when a child is being crowned Agayu, Maferefun Agayu. Also, too, Agayu being associated with Ochun. Those of you who are being crowned Chango, you must go in with Agayu. What a beautiful Orisha. Stay tuned for more information on Orisha and for longer versions on my YouTube channel. With blessings for all, do know that he is also the Orisha of wilderness. Alafia, aho, ase, and stay calm in Maferefun Agayu. Ache, Motupwe.